If it's one compact SUV that comes to the mind offering the highest torque in the segment, that has to be the Mahindra XUV300. Now Mahindra has brought in the autoSHIFT, yes, the autoSHIFT with the petrol engine, and today I'll be doing the performance run from 0 to 60, 0 to 80, 0 to 100 and then 0 to 120 on open and safe roads. So let's see how the autoSHIFT in the petrol performs. Now I am in the manual mode. Let's see how it drives. Now in the manual mode, it upshift automatically when it touches the red line.